Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị ekenekwa m n'ụbọchị nke taa. Biko achọrọ m igbo onye ọbụla ogene n'egonenu this video dị oke mkpa that is why nwe ka nsi ka m chọrọ weta video anụnwa because this video mgbe m follow the team wetara m so biko achọrọ m igbo onye ọbụla oge biko kaba arụ nene this video before the inenechazia ka m batazia kwuo ihe m chọrọ ikwu n'ụbọchị nke taa.
Manager, I put just everything is going on live and direct. Put in I got on live. Okay, no problem. Ime video my right on all my rights go where do I stop? By when right ime video where
Thank you very much. I'm on this video. So I want him to legend the buy. Kuno for kadisi me mecha video. Somebody be na so camera so see na kwesiri na eme ha video. Actually meju kedi law in Nigeria that said that you will not video. So also the only place is somewhere that you cannot make video. You cannot make video. Only some airport, let's start about the airport is a public place, barracks, some private properties. Then especially only some airport like when I make big gadget videos. Only be no most especially all towards Ikeja. There are places there no fly zone for I want to use a drone. Only some places barracks they appetite no fly zone. Because definitely two things here. My certain name will take is easier the drone, or they have magnetic things that they pull your drone down. They will pull it down. You have to go aim with some things that you cannot make video. But when it comes to this kind of act, that video is your evidence. Now can you can some from the bike we can done me ha. Take a muddy is a batch no goes on in see Lagos. Ngwa hate I import obodo Igbo. Ekuchali hini ne ku n'obodo Igbo bata. Isi Lagos buli egbidik landia na Igbo. Mara bata sigi ni ye nya 500,000 naira to pay me offload. Eku gine ne yanko. What happens to our encouraging the buys na tawana mewe investment na tawana mewe nka na ngwa hu no bata yodo kwa mma ngwa no chief emecha no ka bia ka ichola ogodo mmanya ka enwo oburu na mmade na ibie na adị na mma we understand that like onwe mgbe na alubo olu offloading somewhere ogo mbosa na la the police land there we must cost 3 container park in the police land there abemiti who is in charge here mo pota abemiti simo governance hanu no worry him menu na menye ayenyego some people want go some group some mbibi agafe ya before and will go on your shop on ha. So for now nwere ego onye asị m oke nsị ha yes ha gabala onwe ha mana ndị otu Soludo this stout na-anọ na main road kịta anụ now na cause this havoc in the life of people. What are you supposed? What can you gain on? Which on a normal level, these people cannot even afford 5,000. They don't know how to make 5,000, or 10,000. They don't know if they make 10,000 or 20,000. I want to question everything not on uniform, especially na Igbo, is an escape. One is an escape for responsibility. Two is an escape for intimidation. And three, this is a license for them to carry out crime actually. How can you as somebody born if you hindi Igbo na-eme one nege ikobi lose battery habuli ikobi lose battery ha moto ha bulia emewo no video unu jeje bosi na eme no video. What level of intimidation is that? Everything no on uniform no na Igbo, especially I'm not talking of other states. Anything on uniform no na Igbo is an avenue designed to intimidate the people, because only here does not command respect in his house. So that uniform would impose respect on our command in his house in the life of people no longer. Mununu yemekwi ya. Because you have no right to be on phone and make video. Because now, oh, good morning, but how are you? Open ni biara biara me intimidate and make a video. Make a video. Because somebody like me, I hardly bring out my phone. Also, I hardly bring out my phone. What I'm interested in is Jolo video in. That is why today I've met a lot of people. I have met a lot of celebrities, but I don't have their picture. I don't have their picture to prove that na me make again with her. But one thing is certain, that no money I look but they can still recognize me, if not for anything, at least for this market them near. If not for anything, for the market them near. Especially when one day I know somewhere down a brain just have to pull up. But I know that no some guy I know you now, we don't work before, how you didn't can I can OGB recently the same thing. I can tell some Igbo when I need a kinakwan bona making a got on where. Man, these people now, I'm still emphasizing on these people are called them criminals in uniform. Abundoshi. Abuzbutendoshi. Because now I'm a changwa here no follow this container for now. Container I abanuzo now, I am a piego. And my boy you lanali ego. Mana, what happens to unu chekwa unu pagale una letter una sonye mwe shop na na abịakwa? What happens to one na weki mecha go flood ngwa no ha fon wenka ya chola anyị nekabukwa n'ofu. After this container mechali flood, another one ya abịakwa. At least he develop a relationship with the people. Mabuzi na ibili ke egbe na ibi uniform na bule egbe na izuzu yale. Na bule egbe no, you guys are criminals in uniform. Nwere ihe dị iche unu na onye tudoro mmadụ egbe n'isi n'ala ihe by force na gwa uniform n'alụ mmadụ ihe by force. Nwere ihe dị iche gịnị ya na-abụ. Just that na your own is that you are a criminal in uniform. Igbo unu oshi yakwa with a license. Notago. There's the way you see me to onye nwe shop amakwa si ena ndị na adị na mma na okay ndị abịakwa okay ngwa na 10,000 na 50,000. 50,000 no onye to container nye gị 50,000 o mamgbu ya, because there's other ways is a recover ya. Mana nke ite sị na nye gị 500 and itolu battery moto na apụ, it very wicked and heartless. And if you be as a phone and make a video, you be as the phone answer. Which means him and he made it wrong. You need to disgrace family up and down. That is why if they bend the police in an accident and do more this uniform out to vigilante can when accident, people don't even come there to help them anymore. People don't come to help them anymore. Because now again, I will go when they have hurt a lot of people because now have opportunity in uniform bullet. Isolene me ha ubele abelo. What is what doing is what doing well. It did good with one na-atụ container every day, you will benefit more. Even mgbe container na-adịrọ, you can come out and sit or say nna nwa nwetara onye one bottle ka nwa nwekwa mgbe container ya bata unu ofu ya unu agabala ọnwụ maka osu unu mana onye a na-enyenete na onye a na-enyenete as long as na ihe agbago n'ụzọ gbaa Lagos Lokoja Bayelsa Asaba gbidigbidi gbaa ụzọ mmiri na-asa ugwu na-asa wee bata n'Igbo anyị ọ bụrụzie ebe aka elutezi ka ọnwụ ya na wee gbu ya. That is very shameless of you people. That is very shameless of you people, and it's an act of wickedness. Unu na-eme ya kwụsị na ya ka ọ dịkwanụ.